Yes, niaje watu wa magari. Station number 2, Rubis Bome. Tumepatana na jamaa anaitwa Joseph ama JK hiyo. Ako na Nissan. I told you today we are having a very nice challenge. We are trying to see if we can be able to make it to 5 Rubis stations, 5 people of SpaceYaMagari, 5 friends and good supporters of SpaceYaMagari, and see what you can be able to do for them. Courtesy of Castro and Rubis. And here we are meeting our very good friend anaitwa Mr. Joseph. He goes by the name JK hiyo. Has so many things he does, so many things that you would want to tell us about, but mostly about his baby and about his car. So Mr. J, niaje? Welcome to the space, welcome to SpaceYaMagari, man. It's good.
Asante sana. Asante sana.
Today ulituambia uko na Nissan ni B12.
B12.
Unapiga project nayo. Tell us more about this and also more about you.
Ka project Polite. Personally, my name is Joseph Kehio. JK Kehio. So this project car venye nilipata hii gari nilichukua kama trade-in. Nilikuwa na gari ingine. They say all is gold. All is gold. Yeah. So nikiangalia performance yake, nikiangalia pia economy yake, it perfects and it's better than some of the modern cars. So nikasema I will just keep it for myself.
How long have you had it?
I've had it for about 2 years now.
2 years?
Yes.
And it's been serving you good?
It's very good.
Driver ama ni ya kupiga shughuli hapa na pale alafu unarudisha? Unajua kuna kitu inaitwa shopping basket?
Hapana, sometimes I use it as a daily driver.
You actually do?
Yeah.
And it hasn't disappointed you?
It has never disappointed me. It will take me anywhere I want to go. First things first, it's a manual. And it's a 5-speed manual. Actually, it's a 89 model. So how many years now? 34. It's fun to drive.
Since that?
It drives like a new car. Why lie?
30-something years?
Yes. Trust me. Some of those are misconceptions about the spares. Because yes. You see, Nissan, in their heydays, they used to be fun and they used to be durable. Still is. Up to I think 2000. So you see, having this car, I've never lacked any spare. If I want to change something, it's always there. If I want oil change, it's here. If I want anything to do with the parts, they are available. The good thing about this car, it was bought when it was 0 mileage from DT Dobby. Service history nilipata. Gari ilikuwa imeenda like 100 kilometers. So far now nimeenda around 50 kilometers. 50,000 kilometers.
Wow. So this is so exciting. Anything that you would want to say like this car has given you, unajua kuna zile mtu anasemanga, okay, it's a nice car, it's a good one, but character development imenifanya kitu.
Okay, unajua tunasemanga they were made by people. Zilitengenezwa na watu. So hakukosangi ile kidogo hivi. Yes, but hata ikikuwa hivyo, the good thing is, hii ni ile hata my mechanic nikienda mahali nikwame, nampigia ama nikikwama, nikuguza tu mahali unaendelea.
And you're good to go.
Yeah, you're good to go.
Nissan B12 project by Mr. J. It's a very beautiful car, I'll say to be honest. If you look at this vehicle, you wouldn't be, up until you start looking at the plates, and then you hear him say that 30-something years, and then you realize, oh, this car has been old, but it doesn't look old, to be honest. And Talk Hub, what is this?
Talk Hub is my company. I'm also in the dealership. I sell cars. So hapo ndio utapata sasa hizi mpya. But he built, not bought. It's not for sale. Not for sale. This one I'm not selling. So if you want a car, if you want a good car, talk up.
There's a guy called Antongo, I got the junkyard diver.
Yes.
He would probably be interested in this because he's also into the field of such. And I would say it's amazing to see what you guys are doing.
Thank you.
We as SpaceYaMagari, we've had our friends from Rubis and Castro. They've said that your vehicle is among the vehicles that we also want to see kama unaweza badilisha what we call the DNA. DNA hii gari unajua inaanzia pale kwa engine. Sure. Whatever you put in your engine is what determines what or how you roar. So to start you off, we have something small that we've come with.